Alright guys, this is homework for chapter 2, lesson 5. And this first part is extra credit, but I want to explain it so in case you decide you're going to do the extra credit, you know what to do. Make a set of number cards written with numbers 0 to 9 on slips of paper or index cards. But you could also pull out cards 0 to 9 if you have a deck of cards. You could just pull out those cards to play the game. Make 4 of each number card. You can also use the cards 2 through 9 and the aces from the deck of regular playing cards. So like I said, you could just pull that, and don't stress too much if you don't have 4 of each card. It's completely okay as well, but in a deck of cards you would have 4 of each of those numbers. So you'll explain the rules of Top It to somebody at home. And what you're going to do is each player is going to draw 4 cards, so a little different than in the classroom, and you're going to use 3 of the cards to make a 3-digit number and use the other cards to make a 1-digit number. Multiply the numbers and compare the products to the other cards. The player with the larger product takes all the cards. So this one is Top It for multiplication, so a little different, but you're just going to make a 3-digit number and a 1-digit number and multiply them together. Multiply the numbers, compare your product. The player with the larger product takes all the cards. And you keep playing until you run out of cards, or you can just play for 2 rounds. And then here, you'll just show your example, record 2 rounds of the game below. So if you played this game at home with somebody, you would write your 3-digit number and your 1-digit number and multiply. 3-digit number and 1-digit number and multiply. That's if you decide to play. Now the bottom part is practice, right? Each power of 10 using exponential notation. So 10 to the power of what? Well, 100 is 10 times 10, so 10 to the power of 2. And I know that because there's 2 zeros also. 10,000 is 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which is 10 to the power of 4. I'm going to come down here to 1,000, which is 10 times 10 times 10, which is 10 to the power of 3. 1, 2, 3 zeros, 10 to the power of 3. Now here is 100 million, and 100 million is 10 to the power of 8. I would multiply 10 8 times to get 100 million. So make sure you have those in. Make sure this doesn't look like 108, that it looks like 10 to the power of 8, and then do the back and you will be all done.